You just hold it and aim it towards it. That's it.
Okay. Does it got sound?
It's on right now. Yeah, it's
Does it got sound?
Yeah.
Okay. This is
a new clip for 1,000 Ways to Die. 1,001 Ways to Die. What about one of these smaller logs? How about this one? Where? No, we could get that one. Here, use this. Okay.
Oh, you're serious.
It only goes so far. You got the lighter?
Say, this is for you, your friend that you were going to blow it off with. Yeah, talk to him.
This is for you, man. You know, I should face it the other way. Just turn it the other way, or this is good? Oh, this is good. It'll show up on the video. Okay, full stick of dynamite. Round 2. Let's see what happens. Do it sideways.
Okay. Oh. Fuck. Damn, man. Shit hit the house, man. Here.
Keep it going. Watch out. First. There's another one. Not as big, though. I'm gonna blow this one, too. Blow them all up. But I already blew that wick up.
Yeah. I was thinking that you could have
Cut it in half or something.
Yeah. Did it do anything to the log?
Not really.
I thought it'd be way bigger.
It blew off a little.
Here you go. You want to film a little bit? Or do you want to keep on filming?
No, we're done.